Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this one that is about 8 minus b. We want to create about a square minus b square. So to create about this one, to cancel the square root, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So if we simplify this one, we have s squared plus hs minus s squared plus tx. So s squared minus s squared, we cancel this one minus this one. So we just have like this. Next, we can do about factorization by s. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So we simplify s. This one go inside the square root. Similar for the second one. Because the square root of s where you got about s. Now this one we have number 1. This one we have h over s. We have number 1 and we have t over s. When s approach to positive infinity, h divided by s. This one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we simplified and we have 1 over 2 multiplied by s minus t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.